This fall, during our informational campaign, we want to make sure that our voters are informed about the November 4th facilities bond proposal. But at the same time, we want to take the opportunity to show our appreciation for your support for almost a decade now. We think it's best that you hear firsthand from members of our staff about the impact that your support is making on our students each and every day.
Thanks to the strong support of the 2021 Facilities Bond, Romeo Community Schools has steadily transformed everyday learning environments, upgrading classrooms and technology to spark curiosity and connection. These improvements have created spaces where students and teachers can learn and grow together.
My name is Scott Taubitz. I'm a 9th grade biology teacher here at the 9th grade academy in Romeo. I've been teaching here for 23 years, and this is the first time in those 20 years that we've had new facilities for our science students to have. As you'll see, we have a lot larger area now, a lot more space for students to do labs. In the past, they were working either in old facilities or facilities that were designed for a middle school student, maybe a 6th, 7th grade student. So our 9th graders fit better, a lot more space for them to work and learn and use the resources that we have in our classroom.
The November 25 bond proposal will build on that success with targeted enhancements for our 9th grade academy. Plans include upgraded biology rooms and a modernized cafeteria designed to fuel discovery, collaboration, and community. These improvements will provide students with the resources and spaces they need to excel every day.
Our students are the future of Romeo, so don't forget to exercise your right to vote on November 4th.